Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will tell you how to make an amazing gaming outro using Filmora 9. I have imported a gaming background, templates and a song. You can download these from the link given in the description. Drag the background to the timeline and set its duration to 10 seconds. Now go to the Effects tab and click on the filters. Go to the shake, drag this effect to the timeline, and extend its side to the last. Double-click the effect and change the values like this. Now go to filters and search for Sutro. Place the Sutro effect over the background. Now go to the Titles tab and drag the default one to the timeline. Extend its side to the last. Double-click the title, go to Advanced and change the text with your channel name. Change its size to 72 and change the font to this one. If you don't have this font, then download the font from the link given in the description. Apply black borders to the text and change the value of opacity to 65%. Now adjust the text box like this. Now go to the Effects tab, click on Overlay and search for Glitch Distortion. Drag this effect to the timeline and extend its sides to last. Double-click on the effect and change the value of Glitch Distortion to 40. Now drag these templates to the timeline. Double-click on templates and change its blending mode to screen. Do the same for others. Now adjust all the templates like this. Now double-click the element, go to color and then move all sliders in the tone to the right. Do the same for the other two also. Now go to the Titles tab, then click on the lower thirds and drag the default one to the timeline. Double-click the title, click Advanced and replace the text with this. Change the font of the text with this one. Place the text at the top of the rectangle and make sure it is placed in the middle. Extend the sides of text to the last. Right-click on it and copy the text. Now add a new video layer and paste the text. Replace the typed text with this and make sure it is placed in the middle. Now let's preview the outro. If you find this information helpful, then like this video and share it with your friends. If you want more informative videos like this, subscribe our channel. Have a great day.